Today's video, I'm gonna be making those recent popular, I guess you can say, Korean cafe drink day in life vlogs. So to start things off, you're gonna need a can of sparkling water, some fresh fruit, make sure you wash them. And then I already started this. This is just some honey and hot water, but you can use sugar with some hot water. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna keep stirring this until the honey dissolves. Right now I have it in clumps. Then next, you're gonna want to add your fruit. So this is I want to say I got a big hand, so you want a handful. Just grab a handful. Then you're gonna want to take spatula, spoon, mashing tool, pestle and mortar, or whatnot, and start smashing this. And you want to finely smash this. You don't want any clumps. You can save a bit, some unmashed ones for garnish towards the end. And I would say this does take a few trial runs, adjust to taste. For the berries I have here, they're quite tart, so I added more honey. But if yours is right, then natural sweetness is the way to go. But the sweeter the better, because when you pour in the sparkling, it'll dilute the sweetener. Okay. Now I'm gonna go ahead and open my sparkling. When I open it, I'm just gonna pour it directly in here. You have a beautiful looking jam, a runny jam. JK. Okay, just pour it all in here. Nope, didn't overflow. You thought that was gonna overflow? Hell no. I'm professional. Now go ahead and get your cup ready. If you did save some fruits left, go ahead and throw it in there. Make sure they're washed. Get it ready for the Instagrammable photo, and then just pour away. And to make things more interesting, if you have flavored sparkling water, that also makes a good drink. Thanks for watching.